It's important to point out for loop syntax is different in other languages. In Python, they use keywords for and in. In our case, we're after for event in pygame.event get method. If event type is equal to the constant quit, then return, thus breaking the loop. If false, refresh this code that we've written out here over and over and over again until we do hit quit. That's the end of lesson 1. If the window struggles to quit out, Pygame is a little outdated. Don't worry about it.